We're here in Zielona Gora, Poland at our headquarters, where all of our Axon chargers are made.
This is where the story begins. Let's go take a tour.
So this is where the charger comes to life, from a single screw to a fully finished product.
This place behind us runs like a Swiss watch. We're going to leave these people alone so they continue their quality work.
Before production, each prototype goes through rigorous testing in our labs.
Let's check it out.
This is our big EMI chamber. It's actually one of the biggest in all of Europe.
Let's go check out the anechoic chamber. Here we can test how quiet our chargers are. Our hardware is optimized through software development.
This is our lab where we conduct OCPP integration testing as well as vehicle interoperability testing. This is the heart of our service center where we monitor thousands of chargers across Europe.
From here, we can resolve about 60% of issues. E-mobility is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, which is why training plays such a crucial role.
This is where we conduct hands-on training for our customers, distributors, and other partners. It's also where we train our employees so that they can understand the products in the industry as well.